Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I want to show you how I paint this simple flower paint by line. I've gone in first and base coated all of my petals in the color soft pink, just using a number 12 flat to base coat. And then I'm filling in the center of my flower with chocolate. And I'm going in with the bottom of my paintbrush in the color putty to add just some little dot accents on my center. And now I'm going in with a number 4 round in the color peony to accent all of my petals. And then I'm going to go in and do the same thing with cotton. And then I'm just going to finish by accenting the center of the flower, just kind of outlining it with black, and then outlining kind of the edges of each of my petals. And that will complete my project. Very simple and easy, but it's super cute flower. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.